restricted area, Port of San Diego, marine operations, authorized personnel only, and it's a dock. And here we go. That's interesting. So I just asked my son what all these balls are for, and he's like, they're buoys, and he's absolutely correct. They are buoys. Oh, why is this shaking? Weird. Okay, we're walking still. We're look like giant, what do they call it when you play pool ball, sort of? But they are buoys. This is the Admiral hornblower and the Inspiration hornblower. So one's an Admiral and one is an Inspiration. Continuing our walk down Harbor Boulevard in San Diego, California. It is a balmy 70-something degrees. And look at this seagull. Just walking towards the skyline, and Seaport Village is this way. Mainly what I'm hoping at the end of this line is a snack. I'm hoping to get a snack because we're really hungry. We came out, it's about a 30-minute drive from where we live to here, which is not bad at all. I keep looking back because I keep hearing a noise behind me. But it's my son, he's walking behind me. And he doesn't want to be in the camera, which I understand. This is the Star of India sailboat. It's iconic for this area. It's been here for years. It's been here for as long as I can remember. It says Maritime Museum. Oh, I guess there's a museum in there. I think I have been in there too. It's just been so long since I've been here, and I need to come here more often. I mean, it's not that far. It's just, you know how it is. You get caught up in your everyday life, just living, and you don't really take time out to do things that are gonna enrich your life, like this, like walking in San Diego in the middle of winter in 70-degree weather, feeling beautiful ocean breezes brush across your cheeks, and just a good feeling. It's just beautiful. And this is something that looks really fun. Bubbly on the Star. Oh, it's a wine and mimosa nightcap thing. Oh, man. Look at this. This is called Berkeley. It's a museum. I really want to try this sometime. We're going to have to come back here and try this. That looks pretty neat. Let's look at these prices here. They've got general admission, that's not bad, $28. Military and senior, $62. Look at this. There's artwork on it. The sails. that Star of India. Maritime Museum. Man, I put my finger on top of it. How long was my finger there? Ugh, I'm not paying attention. I'm too busy looking around over here. I didn't realize my finger was over the camera. That's messed up. That's really messed up. Okay, let's see what else I got. Oh, we're getting to souvenir stands. We get to the souvenir stands. Hey, Claim Jumper. I haven't been to Claim Jumper in a long time. I keep saying that, huh? I haven't done something in a long time. It's just that I really haven't. Let's look at this up close. Star of India. Look at this. Pretty neat. Star of India. Oh look! Somebody is taking a sailboat cruise. More than somebody, a whole group. Katerina Sailing, Aolani. Across the way is Coronado Island. It's also a very pretty place. So guess what? We found a snack place, Hazelwood's H on the Bay, San Diego Deli and Cafe. And they have a really nice menu. We got a burger and fries. Peter, my son, got a hot dog. But look at the nice menu they have. It's a very nice menu. It's just a cute little deli. I won't film everybody in here because we don't want to be filmed, but they got a variety of drinks. They have a very pretty mural of the bay and sailboats and snacks. And they've got friends playing on the television. Monica, Courtney Cox, Rachel. And then when you look outside through the little snack area, or they sell some little toiletries here as well. I guess if you're visiting, you can stop here and get some toiletries. But look at the beautiful water in the bay. Very, very neat. But anyway, we're just waiting for our burgers. Hopefully soon, we're getting our burgers. We're hungry. I got so happy about my food, I forgot to film it when it first came. But the french fries were good. Burger is good. Nice little water. Cute little deli. Now we're walking back. We're not going to have Petey in the frame. He's going to be on the side. So we're walking back towards where we parked. We just had our hamburger and our hot dog by the bay. Harbor Boulevard in San Diego, approaching the Wyndham Hotel, which also has the Claim Jumper in it, which is a really good restaurant. They have a really good mud pie there that everybody likes. A little bit too sweet for me, but it's really good. Good tasting. So you can see a little bit of San Diego in there. The trolley just came by. I'm just gonna walk back and then we're gonna get driving home. It's a 30-minute drive normally, but I don't know what traffic will be like. Right now, what time is it, PewDiePie? 2:40. So we might be hitting some traffic, unfortunately. Possibly. I mean, it seems like 2:40 is early, but traffic starts to pick up at around 3, especially when the kids get off school and everyone's out on the road. But we can go on the carpool lane, so that's one good thing. Here is the San Diego City and County Administration Building. And look, there's a wedding going on. Taking pictures. Isn't that neat? Okay, well, we're still walking. Walking back to the car. Watching the airplanes land.